What's up, gang? GNCRC back once again, and I am working on the Mazz cheat code. Today, I'm going to go ahead and try to get everything else done to it. I got some more parts to come in, and I'm going to show you what I have, guys. So, you know, I ran into an issue with the mount that I bought for the servo. So, just know on these type of servos, the traditional aftermarket Emax servo will not mount will not work because of the way it's made right there. But shout out to Jay from Jay's RC Expedition. He sent me something on Instagram. I'm gonna open this, and where he showed me that now NSDRC actually make their own servo mount. So I ordered this on Wednesday. Today is Friday. Got it really quick. So, of course, we have more stickers. And I actually ordered two. So, one is for Jeff with the Ultra Bill and the horn. So, servo mount looks really nice. It's actually branded. I'll take that out and show you guys later. And the servo horn. My understanding is this is the only servo horn that'll work on this particular servo. I don't know if you guys let me know in the comments. But this is Jeff's setup. So Jeff has stickers and servo mount and the servo horn. So we're going to get this thing put on. And also, I went ahead and the people that have been watching my live, you pretty much know what wheels and tires I'm gonna run on here. Or what tires, wheels will be, we're gonna probably switch it up to something else pretty soon. So I went with the Hyrax. My first set of Hyrax. And then of course you guys that watch me on the live, you know I have the Cliffhanger body by Proline. Still waiting on the paint. I actually got an email today that said the paint will be here tomorrow. So that's actually a little faster, which is pretty cool. Went ahead today, while I was at the shop, I picked up another set of axles and, well, drive shafts, I'm sorry. I actually probably already have this, but I just went ahead and picked up some that way I can just go ahead and put it together and be done. Got to mention we're going to be doing the RC all-wheel drive big bore shocks. You may have seen this on my live. For the ones that hadn't seen it, we're doing the links by RC Steve as well. We're doing portals by RC all-wheel drive. Furitek Nano, not Furitek Nano, I'm sorry guys. Furitek Micro Komodo with the Furitek mount. Lizard Pro by Furitek as well, and then we're just gonna do a SR215 in this particular build. We may decase this, don't know just yet. All right, guys, I got this thing pretty much together, and it is a thing of beauty. I really like the amount. Portals are looking sick. And I don't know what position I'm going to run these shocks in, but that's just where I have them right now. My links are pretty much going to probably be where I have them. Not really sure. I know I'm going to keep the rear where I have them. I talked to Mazz, and he said that's a good mounting position. But the shocks are beautiful. This thing just, I mean, it just look, I don't know. I don't even know how to describe it. The portals are beautiful. Alright guys, so I know you saw this particular transmission installed on this chassis, but this is from my Gladiator. I just took the transmission out and mounted this up just to see how it works, pretty much for the most part, just see how it works. Mounted it on there because this thing is pretty cool. You got two places that you can actually mount. If you notice, you got the one screw here and you got the two sets right there, so you can actually turn this motor whichever way you want to turn. So that's pretty cool. So I got to take the transmission out of this one. This one's pretty much brand new. I put a mofo here, but we're going to take that out. And then we're going to get this set assembled and get it in there. Alright guys, I finally got this thing together and I am stoked. I mean, it came out quite nice. I mean, beautiful, beautiful rig. I'm not sure if this is going to be the electronic placement so far, but as of right now, that's where I'm putting it. That's just decased SR315 and a Lizard Pro. And of course, you guys know I got the Komodo, micro Komodo, the NSDRC, the RS100, and I love that thing. That's my first one. That's my first high power one like that on this particular scale. I got the RCAWD links, and then of course the portals, guys. And these things still sit pretty low with these portals. Links, beautiful links. Steve did a real good job with that. And this chassis, Mazz, he did a darn good job with this chassis. So I'm still waiting on my paint for my body. And that's pretty much it. Once I get my paint for my body, I'll be ready to crawl this thing. Probably not going to get a chance to do it this weekend. The paint's supposed to be coming in tomorrow. Today is Friday. And I crawl tomorrow, but I'm not going to have time to have it painted and everything before I go to crawl. So probably won't get any footage of this. And I don't have the battery that I want to run just yet. I am going to be running a 3S. This is a little bit larger than what I actually want to run. But since I'm probably not running this weekend, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a little sneak peek. So before I give you guys a little quick run, I'm going to tell you the only problem I had. And it's nothing because of the chassis. Only issue I had was this is my other setup that I have for my Gladiator. And after I took these screws out, they kind of stripped. So I was having a hard time getting it like I wanted. I should have ordered a metal case, but I did end up ordering another one. But I went ahead and took the one from the Gladiator, and I just went ahead and put it on here. So we're going to get the Gladiator finished up pretty soon. I got that. That should be in Sunday, so I should be done with the Gladiator by Monday, I'm assuming. Maybe Sunday. I don't know. I might work on it the live, so because you guys know we'll be going live again on Sunday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Anyway, guys, show you how smooth this thing is.
And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy.
And like a lot of you guys know, I don't like aftermarket shocks. I really hadn't had that much luck with them, but these all-wheel drive shocks they are really nice. I mean, they are Like, they move compared to some of the shocks I've used. They really move. They don't bind at any point. I've had it in different locations and it never has bound. So I do like that. These tires, I don't know just yet, but from what I can tell, I mean, I really do like them. This chassis I am in love with. I'm at the point where now I don't even want a regular chassis anymore. I hadn't even crawled this thing, but I can already tell that it's going to be really nice. This thing can basically almost stand straight up. And even when it get up, it still doesn't just topple over. You have enough time to get it back out of that before it falls. I mean, it's just, I'm blown away by it. The portals, they actually give it quite a bit more clearance. I really like that. I think if you're doing a low center of gravity build, the portals, you got to do the portals. I mean, I am really in love with this thing. This detail, this guy went all out on this thing, guys. He really did. Can't wait to get the cliffhanger body on it. Wasn't a big fan of that body at first, but now I'm in love with it. And these links RC Steve make, I mean, they just work. The servo, I don't even know how to really explain it. I mean, it's awesome. It is very awesome. Again, like I said, this is not the battery that I'm going to use. I think this is a 350. I'm going to go with a 180 or a 250. Mazz really thought this thing out, guys. And I know this video will be out before next Friday. But yeah, I was online when everybody were ordering the chassis. I had already told them in less than a minute or a little bit over a minute they'll be gone. And a little bit over a minute they were all gone. But the good thing about it, he's going to be dropping a whole lot more. Well, I'm not going to say a whole lot more, but he's going to be dropping more every Friday. So if you guys want one, stay tuned and make sure you go to his website. And I'll put a link in the description below as well. And you go ahead and check that out. I'm going to put a link to pretty much all my parts that I have here, guys. Remember, if you like to use portals, you can use that discount code. It's in the description as well. I don't even know what to think. Again, like I said, I don't even want a regular chassis anymore. Like, I am completely sold on this. Guys, I want to thank you for always joining the lives and everything, guys. And thanks for checking out this video. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC.